Over the past year, our undergraduate research lab, LIPI Robotics, at the College of Engineering at Lipscomb University, set out to answer a difficult question. How can we make cutting-edge robotics accessible to underserved students and faculty? Today's robot learning methods are powerful but often inaccessible. They require large data sets, expensive hardware, and advanced technical expertise. This creates large barriers to entry for anyone who wants to participate and limits who can contribute to the next generation of intelligent systems. This project sets to change that. We aim to empower participants anywhere to meaningfully engage and contribute to advanced robotics research by having access to high-quality tutorials, open access to frameworks and systems, and workshops to come together and encourage one another. Today, in this video, we'll dive into what we accomplished.
We began by extending Searle, an existing open-source platform for real robotic reinforcement learning. Our team injected symmetry-based learning tools, improved data efficiency, and added modules for learning from demonstration. We validated everything in simulation and on the real robot, showing faster, more stable learning. These tools now live openly on GitHub, reproducible, transparent, and ready for others to build on. These strengthen trust and reduce the gap between high-resource and low-resource institutions. To support new learners, we created a comprehensive library of open educational resources, tutorials, theoretical notes, system guides, and algorithmic walkthroughs. These live on our openly accessible website and help students from any background gain confidence with advanced robotic techniques. This emphasis on accessibility, clarity, and inclusiveness ensures that more voices can enter the field and thrive. Throughout the project, we hosted 5 hands-on workshops, 2 in July and 1 each in September, October, and November. About 50 students from Lipscomb and MTSU attended at least one. These workshops were more than a training event. They were community building spaces. Students collaborated, asked questions, and even taught one another. Several workshop attendees joined our undergraduate research lab, strengthening diversity, mentorship, and long-term engagement. Our project emphasized transparency and reproducibility so that anyone can retrace, audit, and extend our results. But we also learned that simply publishing open source code isn't enough. Students need encouragement, vision, and belonging. As robots trained in the lobby week after week, new students stopped by, curious, excited, wondering if they too could also learn this. Many did. By lowering technical barriers and raising human connection, we fostered a culture of trust, equity, and collaborative growth. This project is only the beginning. We hope to continue refining the framework, creating richer learning material, and inviting even more students into robotics research. Our goal is a long-term ecosystem where open science fuels both innovation and opportunity.
My team and I want to extend a heartfelt thanks to the Open Research Community Accelerator. Thanks to your support, we've had the vision, resources, and encouragement that we need to provide open, equitable robotics research. I'm grateful to be part of this effort, where students from Lipscomb University and other universities came together through our workshops. A cross-pollination of ideas and engagement made it an enriching experience, and I look forward to see where this will take us next. Similarly, the tutorials that we created through Notion were more expansive and detailed than we had originally envisioned. Significant amount of detail and process was created, shared, and made available for easy and open consumption by the broader community in challenging topics. Today, a strong cultural transformation in the College of Engineering at Lipscomb University is underway. Our undergraduate research lab grew from a couple of students to about 10 of them, giving us more capacity to support more open scholarship. We look forward to partnering with ORCA and advancing the mission of open scholarship for everyone, especially in the field of advanced robotic learning. Thank you very much.